Metropolitan Museum of Art.
So last night, they got together, and they decided to devise a plan to follow someone home and murder them in their homes. Now, this person was no one of note. They were kind of a recluse. They usually sat in a chair all day listening to records. So it made them a perfect target. And unfortunately, they went to put a record on, but the Mafia had rigged the record player to explode when a record got put on. I'm sorry, Tommy.
So sorry, Tommy.
Sorry, Tommy. Tommy was sacrificed.
It's my favorite time of year, everyone! And I hope everyone is very, very excited for a performance that is, I was gonna say needs no introduction, but it actually does for this camp. And my joke is, wait for it, a performance that is going to be sweet as a eucalyptus.
Oh no. Good.
Anyway, here's the first one. So for those of you that are new to teen camp, there's this tradition that I think I started because I just decided to start hijacking fun days because I could, because I live 2 minutes up the road, where we do a performance from like the show from last year, but also not from last year. We always did pranks.
He has what he deserves. Up the game, up him.
You know I work hard for the dollar.
Everything that will save the boys' life is me.
Come on, I'm winning the cash. I'm good right here.
One day gone by. It's 2 days gone by.
Make you wanna know where I come from.
Going dim and the clouds are racing by. Oh my God, what has this boy done to you? Mama, shh.
I'm my son. You can't keep up. I work hard. I've got expensive habits. So you know that I have to have it. Now run my check, run my money, run my girls like me like designer.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, great.
It's really my secret recipe. Honestly, it always works for me. That's why I got enough to go around for everyone I see.
So hard to do. If you could let me in, I could be good with you.
Okay, great. Hey, Officer Lockstock, is this the part where you tell the audience about the water shortage?
What's that, little Sally?
You know, the water shortage. The hard times, the drought, a shortage so awful that private toilets eventually became unthinkable, a premise so absurd.
Whoa there, little Sally. Not all at once. Better hope your pennies add up to the fee. We can't have you peeing for free. You'll get you're in town. Oh, you're in town. Away with you till you're in town. We won't need beer.
And you can't just go in the bushes either. There's laws against it.
That's right, little Sally. Harsh laws, too. That's why little Sally here is counting her pennies. Isn't that so, little Sally?
I'm very close, officer. Only a few pennies away.
Aren't we all, little Sally? Aren't we all?
Rosie, pocket full of oats.
teach you some camp-friendly church insults to make enemies like a native. Number 1. Aya baktım seni gördüm, sana baktım ayı gördüm. Meaning, I looked at the moon and saw you. I looked at you and saw a bear.
He's wearing glasses.
They're your glasses.
No, they're not my glasses.
Aww.
His name is Jake.
I love him. Tell him to say hi.
Hi, I was gonna do a talent with my dog Sully. I'm at my house right now. And I actually just learned that my family locked me out of my house.
And at night, my good day done, I guard my master's head. 'Tis better than the eater's dark deep pillow to have shared. To foe of his, I'm deadly foe, no stir a second time, on whom I lay a yellow thumb or an emphatic eye. Though I than he may longer live, he longer must than I, for I have but the power to live without the power to die.
This is Sully.
Run my check now, run my check, run my money, run my check, run my money. Run my check, run my money, run my check. My son, you can't keep up. I work harder than all of them. I've got expensive habits. So you know that I have to have it. Run my check now.
He slept this summer by my side. He filled my days with endless wonders. He took my childhood in his stride, but he was gone when autumn came.
Do you know what Angelica said? She looked on, she said, you have married an Icarus. He has flown too close to the sun. When your words obsessed with your legacy, your sentences border on senseless, and you are paranoid in every paragraph. How they perceive you.
My talent is that I like to bake. And so I want to show you pictures of things that I make. So I'm a big nerd, as everybody knows, and I had an Avatar themed party in which I made a bread that had 4 different colors for all the different elements, and please admire the swirl on the inside of the bread.
Has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
That's crazy because I was thinking the same thing. It's like, I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue, but with you, I found my way. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. There's an open door. There's an open door. I'd be so much more with you, with you, with you.
I know. Dolphin. Turtle.
Hey kid, you don't know times are hard, but trust me kid, when I say that I know you, I know that life will turn your way. Believe me when I tell you that I'll show you. Flash forward 5 years in his brand new school. He doesn't know what he is, but he's anything but cool. He's got new friends to his left, he's got new friends to his right. They actually care about him and they rarely ever fight. The middle school sucks and the bullies are tough, and one little thing you do there makes your time there rough, and your confidence falls and you feel really low, and it makes you want to hide your face and not even show. Hey kid, you know the times were hard, but trust me kid, when I say that I am you, I know that life has turned our way. Just believe me me when I tell you that I'll show you. No man.
What do you call a horse that's well balanced?
What?
A stable. Outside.
But you're gonna show us outside, right?
I will show you outside because it can get to like 20 feet in the air and I've almost broken my nose doing it before.
Don't hit me. I will still.
No, after today I'm feeling a little sleepy. I'm tired. Drowsy.
Then you got Toledo. Toledo surprise. Now sell it. Here's a peach. Feel a sand. Push it up. Throw it in. Then you got Toledo. Toledo surprise. First you got it. Go at it. Toledo surprise.
This isn't a presidential campaign. Slim Shady.
Excuse me.
Where is she? I'm sorry.
My name is Shady McLaughlin. I play Hades, and I'm also part of the ensemble.
How do you feel?
What?
How do you feel?
Wet.
Amen. I feel so great.
It's a bad thing.
How do you feel?
Wet. I love camp. Do I have to do this? Is it required?
No questions.
How does that make you feel?
Absolutely fantastic.
Are you gonna pay me to do this? You will pay me to do this.
Yes. Yeah.
Pretty chill.
Wow.
Pretty blue.
Oh. And how does that make you feel?
Man.
Inside out. I feel great.
I feel pretty cool. Happy to be here most of the time.
Aww.
When? And hot.
Who do you play? And how does that make you feel? Do you have any siblings?
No! I'm an only child.
Play.
That's Elise Harvey.
Charlie, I will fight you right now! He didn't say that, and Julia didn't curse earlier. Yeah.
I am the director.
Wow. In what ways are you qualified? So what makes you qualified to be the squirrel?
Stage manager.
In what ways are you qualified for this position?
Oh my gosh, do I get to brag?
Yeah.
Bachelor's degree in theater and a bachelor's degree in education, and this is my 5th summer.
Okay, so I started out as an ASM for Descendants, and then I stage managed a couple of acting troupe shows. I stage managed all of last year.
What's your name? Who do you play?
Oh, hello, my name is Miss Caitlin and I play your music director.
I have 2 nominations for White
I feel very strongly about diction. You must be very crisp with your consonants.
Award for the Walker Fox season stage management. I also have a Rising Star nomination.
Darling, of course. I'm so excited.
My name is Mr. Jordan, and I'm his boss. Heyo.
Win from 2023 of the Cine Achievement Award.
What is your name and who do you play? Feel about that. I'm Allegra. We are Allegra. Maybe Allegra was the friends we made along the way. That's crazy.
Monday, where are we?
The problem that we just had was going slightly faster than we started, especially the first start. So here you go.
1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Woo!
It's Rebecca's birthday and we have a secret for her. Yay. So we're gonna surprise her.
We're starting the
lock-in. Just stay there.
To-do. Alrighty, everybody. Good evening. I'm good, thanks. Good evening, everybody. Good evening,
This is sponsored by Rebecca's Cookies. They're fire.
Welcome one and all to the 2024 Allegra Summer Camp Lock-In. We have...
Hi. Wait.
I'm here attendant.
Each flavor is totally unique.
We have a birthday among us tomorrow.
Among us?
That would be It's a big 1-6.
We're sweet
Not just
16.
one, it's also a birthday slumber party for Rebecca.
Choose your room wisely. You had someone sing to get your room.
I know.
At least did a whole performance.
I feel like the 1%. I feel privileged.
Hi.
Birthday girl.
Not yet. Not in the photo.
Oh, heck, I played take it again.
Nothing in the office.
You're here now? I teleported.
Our special little secret of this room. There's gonna be another person in there. Right now we're somewhere else, but I will be.
What's going on in here?
It's all over. How about you carry your small? Oh God, you want to make sure you don't like.
Are you stealing snacks from children?
Still an iPad.
Oh, you're taking your iPad back.
That's so scary.
Technically, yeah.
Thank you. Wait,
Well, geez, maybe you lost your smell too.
Keep going, guys. Keep moving.
Go where?
Just stay within this area, but like, you know, stay in the area that you wait to get picked up. You're calling
Look at my stuff. This is going to waste.
We would never do anything unsafe. Good morning, everybody. Wakey, wakey. It's time for you to wake up. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. Guys, gotta get up. Good morning, birthday girl. Miss Amy. Good morning, everybody.
Time to go to bed.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Darling. Good morning. Crow.
Because last I saw you, you were sitting on the chair, just sitting up and
Oh.
awake.
I don't even know. I think like 5 a.m. But then I woke up at like 6 and I was
Does
just
nobody in this cast sleep?
like, at 6 a.m. I woke up and nobody else was awake and I was
Anybody?
Break from camp. Oh no.
7:35 in the morning.
Yeah.
We made it.
Yeah, you did.
It's gonna be okay.
Roll your head. Here we go, corner. At a knee.
Yeah, that timing was good.
I'm Will.
Why are you
From
here?
the top of the app.
I'm obligated.
By who?
Yuri, but I love it here.
Let's wave for the camera and then we'll.
At least as many arms as you can.
Okay. Here's a set tour. Here's all the graffiti. There's the logo. Just ignore that I spelled that wrong. It's fine. I spelled multiple things wrong this year. Jordan. Locky. Columns. Scaffolding. Stairs. Crow. Crow, are you part of the set?
I guess so. I am the set.
The set! Cast. They're not part of the set.
We are standing on this stage right now, about to open up, in my opinion, one of the best shows we've ever put on in Allegra. And I'm feeling that before we even open the show. I'm just...
Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, great.